Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your phone buzzes, but it's not an alarm for work. No traffic noise, no office rush, no Monday stress. Because no human has a job anymore. Doctors, engineers, drivers, teachers, artists, all replaced by AI. Sounds peaceful or terrifying? Today we're diving into one of the biggest what-if questions of our time. What if AI took every single human job? What would happen to money, governments, daily life, and us? Stay till the end, because the answer is not what most people expect. Before we begin, quick question. Would you enjoy a world where you never have to work again? Tell me yes or no in the comments. And if you enjoy mind-bending what-if stories like this, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. All right, now let's begin. How AI takes all jobs. This wouldn't happen overnight. First, AI takes repetitive jobs. Data entry, customer support, factory work. Then it moves to skilled jobs. Drivers replaced by self-driving systems. Accountants replaced by smart software. Doctors assisted, then replaced by AI diagnostics. Eventually, even creative work changes. AI writes music, AI designs buildings, AI creates movies, art, and stories. At some point, companies realize something shocking. AI is faster, cheaper, and never tired. So, one by one, human jobs disappear. The big question: how do people survive? Now comes the most important question. If no one works, how do people earn money? Here's the truth. Most people don't realize money only exists because humans work. If AI does all work, AI grows food, AI builds houses, AI produces energy, AI runs factories, then basic needs no longer depend on jobs. This leads to a radical idea governments are already discussing today: universal basic income, UBI. Every citizen receives money regularly, not for working, but for existing. No applications, no interviews, no bosses. What happens to daily life? So, what do humans do all day? At first, chaos. People feel lost. Work gave structure to life, but slowly something changes. People start focusing on learning, creativity, travel, family, health, passion projects. A person who wanted to be a painter but worked in an office, now they paint someone who loved teaching. They teach freely. Life becomes less about survival and more about meaning. Does money still matter? Money doesn't disappear, but it changes. Instead of, how much do you earn? It becomes, what do you contribute? Value shifts from labor to ideas, community, creativity, trust. Luxury still exists, but basic life becomes accessible to everyone. Not perfect, but different. Who controls AI? The real risk. Now, here's the uncomfortable part. If AI controls production, who controls the AI? This is where governments, rules, and ethics matter. If controlled wisely, society becomes more equal. Poverty decreases. Education improves. If controlled poorly, power concentrates. Inequality increases. Freedom feels limited. So the future doesn't depend on AI alone. It depends on human decisions today. Would humans become useless? Here's something important. Humans are not machines. We are storytellers, creators, explorers. AI can calculate, but it cannot feel life the way we do. In a world without jobs, humans don't disappear. They evolve. Work stops being survival. Life starts being expression. So, a world where AI takes all jobs isn't the end of humanity. It's a crossroads. One path leads to control and imbalance. The other leads to freedom and creativity. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about what kind of world humans choose to build with AI. Now I want to hear from you. Would you want to live in a world with no jobs? Comment your thoughts. Like the video and subscribe for more powerful what-if stories like this. See you in the next one.